Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video we will learn IMO Olympiad 2019 paper for class 5. There are total 4 sections. Today we will solve section 3 achiever section and section 4 everyday mathematics. For logical reasoning and mathematical reasoning, please watch section 1 and section 2 video. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with third section everyday mathematics. Question number 36. Vikas took 55 minutes to complete his homework. He finished his homework at 17:45. At what time did he start doing his homework? So here given he finished his homework at 17:45. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Means he start doing his homework at 16:50. Here D is correct answer. Question number 37. Alka needs 3/5 bowl of chopped onion and 2/3 bowl of chopped tomatoes to make a dish. How much more chopped tomatoes than chopped onion did she require? So here given the quantity of chopped onion and quantity of chopped tomato. Here we have to find out the more chopped tomatoes than chopped onion. So 2/3 minus 3/5. Here their denominators are different. So we find out their LCM. Their LCM is 15. So here we multiply by 5 and here by 3. So 2 into 5 is 10 and 3 into 5 is 15. And here 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Now their denominator are same. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and 1/15. So here she required 1/15 bowl more chopped tomatoes than chopped onion. So here B is correct answer. Question number 38. Divya reads 225 pages every day except on Sunday and Thursday. How many pages does she read in 9 weeks? In 1 week there are 7 days and out of 7 days she reads only on 5 days except Sunday and Thursday. So for 9 weeks she read on 45 days. 9 into 5, 45 days. On 1 day she reads 225 pages. So in 45 days she reads 225 into 45 is equal to 10,125 pages. So here B is correct answer. Question number 39. Mrs. Sharma made 5.4 liter of lemonade and Mrs. Goel made thrice of much lemonade as Mrs. Sharma made. How much lemonade did they make together? Mrs. Sharma made 5.4 liter and Mrs. Goel made thrice of 5.4 liter means 3 into 5.4 is equal to 16.2 liter. And how much lemonade did they make together? Means addition of Mrs. Goel's lemonade plus Mrs. Sharma's lemonade. Means 16.2 plus 5.4 is 21.6 liter. So here B is correct answer. Question number 40. Karan has 52,920 balls. He has to pack them in boxes with each box containing 420 balls. Find the number of boxes required to pack all the balls. So here total number of balls 52,920. One box contained 420 balls. So for 52,920 balls, how many boxes required? So for that we need to divide 52,920 by 420. So here this 0 get cancelled. 5,292 divided by 42 is equal to 126 box. So here C is correct answer. Question number 41. 13 bags of sugar cost rupees 2535. If each bag contained 5 kg of sugar, then find the cost of 1 kg of sugar. So here given the cost of sugar of 13 bags and each bag contain 5 kg of sugar. So 13 bags contain 13 into 5 kg sugar means 65 kg sugar. This means 65 kg of sugar cost 2535. And we have to find out the 1 kg sugar. So 1 kg of sugar is equal to 2535 divided by 65, which gives 39. So for 1 kg of sugar cost is 39 rupees. So here C is correct answer. Question number 42. A gardener plants 3,12,250, 2,34,278 and 1,43,581 trees on 3 successive months. How many trees did he plant in all 3 months? So here total number of trees planted in 3 months is equal to addition of these 3. So here 6,90,109 trees planted in 3 months. A is correct answer. Question number 43. If 17 buckets can be filled by a pipe in 8.5 minutes, then how many minutes will be taken by the pipe to fill 45 such buckets? So here given the time required for 17 buckets to fill is 8 1 by 2 minutes, which is equal to here 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 by 2 minutes. Now we first find out the time required for one bucket. So for that we need to divide 17 by 2 by 17. So we first take the reciprocal of this 1 by 17. So here 17 will get cancelled and 1 by 2 minutes required to fill the one bucket. Now we have to find out the time required for 45 buckets. So for one bucket, half minute. So for 45 bucket, 1 by 2 into 45, which give 45 by 2. We convert this into mixed fraction, which gives 22 1 by 2. So for 45 buckets, 22 1 by 2 minutes are required. So here B is correct answer. Question number 44. Shruti earns rupees 254.50 in a day. She spends rupees 110.25 and saves the rest. How much money will she save in 12 days? So she earned this much rupees and she spent this much rupees. Means she saved in one day is equal to 254.50 minus 110.25 is equal to 144.25. So in one day she saves 144.25 rupees, and we have to find out the money saves in 12 days. For one day is 145.25, then for 12 days 144.25 into 12. So she will save 1731 rupees in 12 days. D is correct answer. Question number 45. On Tamanna's birthday, her mother gave 3/10 of the cake to each of her 2 neighbors and 1/10 of cake to each of her 2 friends. What fraction of cake is left with her? So here her mother gave 3/10 of cake to her 2 neighbors, means 3/10 into 2, which gives 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, means 3 by 5 of cake she gave to her 2 neighbors, and she also distributed the 1/10 of cake to her 2 friends. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, means 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 part she gave to her 2 friends. So total amount she gave is equal to 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5, means 4 by 5. So total amount she distribute is equal to 4 by 5 part. And now what fraction of cake is left with her? So fraction of cake left is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5. So here their denominator is not same, so we first make them equal. So here we need to multiply by 5. So now denominator are same. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 5. The answer 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 cake is left with her. C is correct answer. Next section is achiever section. Question number 46, fill in the blanks. Option 1, there are p prime numbers between 73 and 94. In between 73 and 94 there are 79, 83 and 89 are prime number, means there are 3 prime numbers in between 73 and 94. Option 2, least common multiple of 32, 36 and 72 is dash. LCM of 32, 36 and 72 is 288. Option 3, the smallest number that can be divided by given numbers without leaving any remainder is R. Here LCM is the smallest number that can be divided by given number without leaving any remainder. Option 4, if 4,43,272 is divided by 268, then S is the remainder. So here remainder will be 0. B is correct answer. Question number 47. Kirti rented a scooty for 330 minutes. How much did she pay for it? First hour rupees 8.75. Every additional half hour is for rupees 5.25. First hour means for 60 minutes, rupees 8.75. So we first subtract the total minutes minus 60 minutes. 330 minus 60 is 270 minutes. Now this 270 minutes is equal to 9 half hour. Half hour rupees 5.25, means for 9 half hour is equal to 5.25 into 9, 47.25. So total amount she paid is equal to this 8.75 plus 47.25 is equal to 56 rupees. So here A is correct. Question number 48. Read the statements carefully and state T for true and F for false. Option 1. The value of 4.25 divided by 2 by 5 plus 3 2 by 8 minus 4.2 is 0.75. Here we first solve 4.25 divided by 2.5. So it will give 1.7. Then plus here 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2 26 by 8. Then 1.7. 26 divided by 8 will give 3.25 minus 4.2. 1.7 plus 3.25 is 4.95 minus 4.2. So it will give 0.75. So first option is true. So here option 1 is true. Now second option, if 6 by 15 plus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus y is equal to 2, 2 by 3, then y is equal to 4, 1 by 5. So here we find out the value of y first. So we first solve this. Now their denominator are different. So we first make their denominator same by finding their LCM. The LCM of 15, 2 and 5 is 30. So here we multiply by 2, 15 2s are 30, here by 15 and here by 6. So 6 into 2 is 12, 3 into 15 is 45 and 4 into 6 is 24 minus 24 and LCM is 30 plus y is equal to, here 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3. 12 plus 45 minus 24 is 33, 33 by 30 plus y is equal to 8 by 3. Now y is equal to 8 by 3. Now this will become minus this side, 33 by 30. Now here also their denominator are different, so we find their LCM. Their LCM is 30. So here we multiply by 10 and here by 1. So y is equal to 8 into 10 is 80. 80 minus 33 by 30. 80 minus 33 is 47 by 30 and this will give 30, 31s are 30 and remaining 70. So statement 2 is false. So here option 2 is false. Option 3, sum of place value of 5 and 7 in the number 317.452 is 7.05. So place value of 5 is 0.050 and place value of 7 is 7.000 and their sum is 7.05. So option 3 is true. So here D is correct answer. Question number 49. Read the following statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. The value of CM minus CD plus CVII plus M is MDCVII. So here M is 1000, C is 100. So CM is 900 minus CD means 400 plus CVII is 107 and plus M is 1000. 900 minus 400 is 500. 500 plus 107 plus 1000 is equal to 1607. So in Roman numerals it is written as 1000 means M, 600 means DC and 7 means VII. So here statement 1 is true. Statement 2. Symbol C can be added to every Roman symbol, but it cannot be subtracted from D and M. So this is incorrect statement. It is false. So here statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. A is correct answer. Question number 50. The given figure is made up of a square, a triangle and a rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/4 the length of the edges of the square. If the sum of area of square and rectangle is 732 square centimeter, then find the perimeter of the figure. So here given this is square and this is rectangular, and length of square is 24 centimeter, means all lengths are 24 centimeter. According to the question, the breadth of rectangular is 1/4 the length of edges of square. So breadth is equal to 24 into 1 by 4. 4 is 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 6 centimeter. So this length is 6 centimeter and here total length is 24. So remaining this is 18 centimeter. And according to the question, the sum of area of square and rectangle is equal to 732 square centimeter. So here area of square is equal to side square, means 24 into 24. So area of square is 576. So this side we consider as L. Area of rectangle is 6L. And their sum is equal to 732, means 576 plus 6L is equal to 732. So 6L is equal to 732 minus 576 is equal to 156. So L is equal to 156 divided by 6 is equal to 26 centimeter. So see, this length is 26 centimeter. So here perimeter of figure is sum of all sides. So perimeter is equal to this 24 plus 18 plus this 26 plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 26 centimeter plus 24 plus 24. Means perimeter is equal to 151 centimeter. Here D is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.